Good morning, fellow kingdom celebrators. This is the moment of wisdom with Pastor Adekunle Komolafe. Topic of the day: stop making noise over nothing. Proverbs 11 verse 2. When pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with the humble is wisdom. Quote of the day: whatever you need to make noise about before people notice is not big enough. Prayer point for today: pray this prayer and say, Father, bless me beyond my imagination. Prophetic instruction for today: be positive in your thinking. Prophetic declaration: I decree and I declare that your destiny helper will no more have rest until they locate you in Jesus' name. Remember that the devil will always stage a fight, but you will always win because you are not an ordinary person. You are a superstar, and my Father greatly bless you.